How to clear app cache on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to clear app cache on your iPhone and free up some storage space. First, open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Personalized Recommendations. Then select Clear App Usage Data and tap it again to confirm. Next, open Settings, tap General, and select iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see how much storage each app is using. Tap an app that is taking up a lot of space. You can choose Offload App to remove the app while keeping its documents and data. However, if you want to remove the app's stored data as well, tap Delete App and then reinstall it from the App Store. Check apps that have a large amount of documents and data, as this can include cached information and other stored files. That's how you can clear app cache and free up storage space on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.